Thanks for joining us. I'm Amy Jo Wentz, and we're in Pleasant View, Kansas. We're at Stutzman's Greenhouse, and joining me once again is Ben. And Ben, we're here in Pleasant View. We're at the production house where everything is grown. Let's talk about how it all comes to life.
You know, the whole process of what you see coming into our garden centers starts right here at our location here in Pleasant View. About 7 acres of greenhouse production. And this week we're featuring the full flat sale, which is always a fun thing. And of course it's a mix and match process, but be 36 plants to a flat and 6 packs, you know, with 6 plants.
And we can mix and match.
You can mix match any way you want.
Let's talk about the Stutzman's difference. Since you actually are here, we grow things in our area. Everything is made for us to be acclimated in our environment.
We pay a lot of attention to genetics that truly do perform here. You know, and our slogan with Stutzman's, expect success. We don't take that lightly. Every variety that we choose, be it in marigolds or impatiens, they truly are very capable of performing exceptionally well right through here, central part of the country here.
So they're actually going to perform here, they're going to do well in our weather because they're grown here,
They're grown here. And before they get out to our garden centers, we have a process that we actually do some of the acclimating and getting them toughened up to where it's not really soft. You know, when it goes out there, and they'll be fine.
All right, that's Stutzman's Greenhouse and Garden Centers. Be sure to visit one of the 12 locations nearest you.